Hi everyone, my name is Shamiso. So in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to cut hair, okay? So we're going to do the basic haircut. We're going to do like basic haircut layers for this video, all right? All right, so I'm going to go set her up. I just want y'all to see her before I wet her hair. I already shampoo it. But I just want to see how she looks being dry. Alright, so I see you soon. Bye. Okay, so what I did, I lowered her down because I'm going to part her hair so y'all can see it better. Okay. So I'm going to start from the center and part her hair. Probably use a different comb. Try to get a nice even part. Okay. Okay, after you finish parting her hair, you are going to want to cut the back. Okay? You're going to have your comb and your scissors. If you are right-handed, you hold it with your right hand. If you're left-handed, you're going to hold the scissors and comb with your left hand. You're right-handed, you're going to hold the scissors and comb with your right hands. Okay? Me, personally, I use both. I use my left and right. But for this demonstration, I'm going to cut with my right hands. So you don't do this when you're cutting the hair. You want the comb to be like this, parallel. Okay? So let me see how much inches I want to cut. Okay. So I'm going to cut, start from the middle, and make sure your scissors is straight. Okay? Sure the comb is parallel. Keep your hands and your straight. Keep the scissors straight and cut. Can you take the butterfly clip? Okay, here it's starting to dry. So I'll take the water bottle and start spraying it. Okay. Alright, so I finished cutting her hair. So now I'm going to do the crown. You curve it like a C, and you do the same thing for here. Make sure. Okay. Make sure it's even. Let's see. Okay, so I am done cutting her hair. So I'm just gonna do a really quick blowout on her. Okay, so if you're, I'm just gonna do a really quick blowout, nothing fancy. Let me low down her a little bit. Okay, this is a quick blowout. If you are left-handed, you hold the brush with your left hand. If you're right-handed, you're gonna hold the brush with your right hand. I am gonna hold. I use both my hands, so I'm gonna hold the brush with my left hands. Okay, before I dry her hair. Okay, y'all can see her layers. Isn't she nice? Her haircut. Look. All right, so next time I'll do a nice blowout for her. All right, that is it for the haircut. I'll see y'all later. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.